So today it is very hot in Tokyo. It is already past 30 degrees centigrade or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it is likely that today will probably surpass 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So the summer has come, although the rainy season has not set in yet. So officially it's not summer, but it feels as if it is already as hot as summer. So one thing about the coronavirus pandemic, in Japan, typically the cold or flu wouldn't, be so pandemic or epidemic so much in summer. So, heuristic wisdom would tell us that probably the first wave is over. But we don't know with this virus because it's so non-typical. So we should be keeping prepared for any another attack or second wave or whatever. So that is one thing that would cross a typical Japanese mind at this time. And the second would probably be the Olympics, which has been postponed for 1 year. Nobody is sure yet now that whether it would be held at all next year in 2021. Tokyo 2020 held in 2021. But one wonders if what would have been like to experience this heat and imagine that the Olympics would be coming in, a few weeks, and that would have been also a very impressive and interesting experience. But well, now the Olympics has been postponed until next year, and nobody is sure if whether it would go ahead at all. The way we face this heat is a bit different from what would have been if the Olympic Games would have proceeded as planned. Anyway, so these are thoughts. Welcome to the Japanese summer. It's very hot, 30 degrees, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. But I go for a run, even so. Okay, here we go.